While it's no secret that the world has endured immense social and economic challenges these past few years, the Philippines emerges from this global uncertainty with surprisingly robust prospects. Last year, our economy grew by 7.6%, the best in 40 years. And as investments flow and business grows, we find ourselves in a new era of opportunity, with real estate once again on the rise. Yes, consumer behavior has evolved significantly. Attitudes toward work, health, and investments have changed. And for the property market, this has led to some clear and interesting trends. One such trend is people who prefer the kinetic, high-reward lifestyle of key cities very much desire Metro Manila and everything it has to offer in a vibrant post-pandemic world. And what better place to be than in the heart of the city, and on the riverbank, no less, in a home that's quiet and yet completely out of this world. Welcome to the Acqua Private Residences.
Acqua Private Residences is located between Makati and Mandaluyong. Its main entrance will turn in from the 𝗙𝗪𝗏 Bridge, which directly connects the two cities. An alternative entrance is open along Coronado Street. Whether by car or on foot, you can literally be in Rockwell or Makati in 10 minutes.
I feel like I'm an explorer, like I've cut my way through an urban jungle and discovered this fabulous oasis. Such an exquisitely designed landscape.
6 towers forming this epic backdrop. It has a palatial splendor that not only draws your eyes to the skies, but also feels like a protective wall, shielding a hidden sanctuary.
When Acqua was being built, the promise was a residential Eden. Lush walkways and tropical rainforest-infused design. This is literally what was promised, if not more. Fresh air, incredible foliage, stunning architecture. They spared no expense. Plus, everything is so well maintained. I mean, take a look around. It's pretty mind-blowing.
This is the Pebble, Acqua's private clubhouse exclusive to residents. From afar, it looks like a smooth white stone. On one side, 3 waterfalls seemingly flow into the river. Up close, it's such a bold architectural statement. Let's go inside.
And check out the 4th floor gym. I mean, it rivals the best gyms out there from sheer space and equipment. It's got a completely relaxed vibe. You've got this gorgeous indoor garden right behind you, and then in front, a sweeping view of the city.
Down one level, and there's this 3-lane lap pool, adjacent to the river. Through here is a juice bar and cafe, a private space to relax in between swims and working out.
Follow me. I'm eager to see the kids zone down below. I'm told it is daycare heaven. I'm sorry, I wasn't expecting this, but this place is huge. And this is like what? At least 50 feet high. A climbing playground with different levels, completely padded and caged, so it's super safe. This isn't daycare. This is day and night care. Through here is a movie room. Just book this place for a private screening. A little extra glamour for date night. Now to the Riverwalk Promenade.
There's a corner restaurant, a Lawson, Loco mini hot pot. There are even more facilities on the second floor. From skin station to 𝗙𝗏𝗃 to a handy laundry shop.
I swear, this place is like the Hanging Gardens of Babylon. There are plants everywhere. King Nebuchadnezzar, eat your heart out. This is the basketball court. Honestly, it's difficult to find premium athletic spaces in the city. This rock formation with showers and toilets, a waterfall that opens up into this luxurious sparkling pool. I cannot emphasize how enticing this place is. Now, I know what you're thinking. How do I invest in a home in Acqua, right? Well, most of the buildings sold out a long time ago. But there is one tower left with a very unique offering, the 6th and final tower in Acqua Private Residences.
The lower section is home to Novotel Suites Manila at Acqua, a hotel favored by many local and international guests.
And then above it are a number of private and luxurious units. The hotel residences at Acqua.
Hotel fitted and fully furnished, these homes are move-in ready. No need to make reservations, check-in or any of that. When you buy a condo here, you can literally move in right away. All access, all yours.
This is the one-bedroom premier suite. Check out this gorgeous floor-to-ceiling window that curves around the unit. Absolutely stunning. So much natural light, and of course, that matchless view. This is your kitchen and dining area. You've got your modular cabinets, and I love the stone countertop and your glass backsplash. The rest of the kitchen is complete and is ready to use. Over here is the dining area. Comfortable with plenty of room for meals and entertaining. And to the right of the entrance, you have your powder room. And in the corner, you have space for a home office. Okay, now on to the bedroom. It's really cozy and relaxing. Wood finish backboards, personal lamps, outlets for charging your gadgets overnight, TV for when you want to lull yourself to sleep watching K-dramas. Here is your master bathroom. This full-size bathtub with a view. I mean, come on, you might want to give this bad boy a try. Imagine a bubble bath overlooking the city. The rest of the bathroom is spacious, featuring high-quality 𝗙𝗏𝗏 fixtures and 𝗪𝗏𝗏𝗏 fittings. On the other side is an ample wardrobe with LED lighting. You even get a safe for your valuables. This time, we're in a one-bedroom superior unit, perfect for couples. It's such a distinct configuration. Great ambient mood in the dining area that leads to a burst of light in the living area. You get the same comprehensive kitchen with appliances, a powder room, a reading area, could also be a pocket library if you want, and check out this gorgeous bedroom. Ensuite toilet and bathroom with plenty of storage. The space is just beautiful. Now, aside from all the furniture, the decorative lighting, rugs, drapery, even the artwork, all these condos come with high-quality beddings, towels, cutlery, and tableware. Now that is truly move-in ready. Another unit I need to show you is probably the best studio condo you're ever going to see in the market today. And now we're here at the Suite King unit. Check out this well-appointed kitchen. Not your typical condo kitchen, if you ask me. You can easily prepare your healthy meal in style. And right next to it is a beautiful toilet and bath. They say that the key to a happy relationship is to have your own sink and mirror. And you also have your separate spaces for toilet and bath. This is a highly functional space with a total of 31 to 36 square meters. Perfect for singles or power couples who are always on the move but need a restful base in the city. So you want to see more? Because we're not done yet. There are more unit types available that you might fancy.
Suite Twin. One-bedroom deluxe. Two-bedroom family suite. Of course, this tower has its own exclusive amenities. This is 𝗵𝗆𝗆, the sixth-floor restaurant where they serve excellent local and international cuisine. Check out this creative sunken lounge and the pool through the window. You can watch your kids and watch your diet at the same time. Then on the 21st floor are a cafe, a gym, a function room, and this lovely view deck. As a homeowner in this hotel tower, you have access to the world-class concierge, including 24-hour doormen, security, and surveillance systems. Plus, You can also call upon maintenance and property management whenever you need assistance.
You know, buying a home is an emotional decision. It's where you invest your hard-earned money, where you experience life and family, and build long-lasting relationships. But while many others have to wait years before they get to move into their new home, you get to immediately move into the hotel residences at Acqua. So, what more can I say? Century Properties has built the ultimate haven of pure class and serenity. You're literally moving into a hotel tower without reservations. Well, except maybe your reservation fee? Are you ready to make the move? Because the hotel residences at Acqua is ready for you. My name is Bianca Valerio, and it's been a pleasure showing you around the hotel residences at Acqua.